Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can find assumption mean method. Let's see. We have this formula for assumption mean method. X bar equal to A. A is assumption mean, which is the class mark with largest frequency. We just have to understand formula. Here we have Fi, which is frequency, times Xi minus A. Xi is class mark, A is assumption mean, which is the class mark with largest frequency, over summation of frequency. During solving the example, everything will be more clear. We have lower limit and upper limit. To find class mark, we have to find the average for lower limit and upper limit. So class mark equal to 0.5 times this one plus this one. Enter. Good. Now you can just drag to find for all the upper and lower limits. That's class marks. Good. Xi. To find A, we have to find largest frequency. Largest frequency is 13. Good. A directly becomes the class mark with largest frequencies. So A is 2443. This one, I change its color to red. Good. Now we have to find Xi minus A. Xi class mark minus A. It equal Xi minus A. That's A. I have to fix A. Just click F4. It add the dollar sign before and between D and the number. Okay, just enter. Good. We have to do the same to here. Just drag. If you see the formula, you see D4 again minus A. From here, D5 minus D5. Okay. This time frequency times Xi minus A. Just equal, that's frequency times Xi minus A. Good. Scroll down. If we look at the formula, we need A. We directly find A, this one. Also, we need summation of Fi times Xi minus A, this column. To find summation, just select it, auto sum. We have to sum all the Fi Xi minus A. That's the auto sum. Also, we need summation of frequency. Total frequency, just select it, auto sum. We have 40 frequencies. Now we have to find the mean. Just equal A, that's A, plus summation of Fi times Xi minus A, this column, divide by summation of frequency 40. Enter. That is the assumption mean. That's all. Have a nice time.